Okay guys, in this video we are learning how to activate automatic call recording on OnePlus 70. Okay, just open your dial applications. Then you can see here there is three dot option on your right corner top. Okay, just tap on that. Then click on settings. Okay, then you can see the option of call recording. Open it. Then you can see the option record all calls. I turn on record all calls and also set the call recording limit. You can set it to any numbers like 1000, 2000, 3000 and also non-limit. I've always choose non-limit because each calling is very important for me, so always I record each and every calls. So that's guys, in this way you can record all calls. So that's the settings guys, and if you need any kind of Android or iPhone tutorial, just comment below. I will post my replays as video so you can easily watch and understand it. And if you enjoy this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe our channel for getting more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.